When you're getting into 3D graphic, there are two big questions you need to ask yourself. The first one is, which software should I use? These are some of the top 3D software out there. Later, we'll go through why Blender is a great choice. The second question is, what can you actually do with them? What fields can you use them in? Blender as the most popular software can be your go-to choice for freelancing, accurate and advanced modeling and simulation, photorealistic rendering, animation, game design, and integrating it with Unreal Engine to build interactive worlds, visual effects, 3D design in architecture or industrial design, 3D printing, even educational simulations, virtual reality, selling 3D models, character creation, sculpting, and more. As we mentioned, professional content creation is another area. For example, on the left, you can see Sabin's YouTube channel. He visualizes all lessons in 3D. This makes it much easier to understand complex things like how an airplane engine, a car differential, or a transistor works. On the right, you can see an eye-catching animation. The source and creator of the video are credited. Another example is using visual effects for product promotion and marketing. It's super effective for making an impression and sticking in the audience's mind. As mentioned before, visual effects include things like green screen and cinematic effects. If you're a little familiar with After Effects and Premiere, After Effects had a plugin called Element 3D, which lets you integrate 3D model into video scene. But it has a lot of limitations that where Blender and other softwares, for example Houdini, come in. They let you combine VFX with real-world footage to create a cinematic visual. Learning Blender is also a great stepping stone for Unreal Engine or even Unity. Personally, I find Unreal Engine the most powerful. One of the advantages of Unreal is that if you design a 3D scene in Blender, for example, you can start building a game or an interactive world using just blueprint in Unreal. Without coding, the user can interact with the 3D space instead of just watching it, just like in a game. Unreal Engine, developed by Epic Games, isn't just for gaming anymore. In a film, architecture, interactive education, and even virtual reality. Blender itself is also capable of VR scene creation. In architecture, it's great for visualizing or industrial design before building. What's great about Blender? It's open source and free, regularly updated. This has helped it grow in popularity. It's lightweight, powerful, and all-in-one. Has tools almost for everything. Houdini is unmatched for cinematic VFX, but it's not free and learning it is tough. Animation is harder too. Cinema4D is also good. It integrates well with After Effects and makes motion graphics easier. Maya has a lot of tools, has a great tools for animation. 3ds Max is powerful in modeling, is popular in the architecture community. Both are Autodesk product. Blender is extremely popular and versatile, making it ideal for learning. Blender has all the essential tools, but if you're after very specialized tools for specific tasks like ZBrush for sculpting, Blender can fully replace them. Still, it has all the practical tools you need for the most projects.